Hello there, Cardinals. It's me, Mr. Ernst, and today we are going to be talking about how to complete a table with slope. So in other words, we've been working with slope with graphs so far and tables where I've given you a table and you've been able to find the slope from the table, right? In this case, I'm actually going to give you the slope and you're going to use the slope to fill in a table. So as you can see here, I have an empty table that's sitting here and an empty slope that's sitting here, and I've just got this as my little reminder that this is my change in y, and this is my change in x. Our first one we're going to do is my change in y is going to be 1, and my change in x is going to be 1. So just a nice simple one to start off with. We're always going to be starting off our patterns here. Realistically, when you're filling in these, you can kind of start off wherever you want to. Because I didn't give you a y-intercept, these ones, we're just going to start off at 0. Both of these are going to start at 0, the x and the y. So let's do y's first. My y value is changing by 1. So this is going to be jumping by 1 each time. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So this pattern is growing. This pattern would be growing by 1. My x value is also growing by 1. So this one grows by 1, and then it will grow by 1 again. So 0 plus 1 gives me 1, and then grows by 1 again to give me 2. And that's it. That's the whole table right there. 0, 1, 2 for both the x and the y value. They started in the same place. They both had the same change, and so they are growing together at the same rate. Okay? Let's take a look at a different example. Now we're going to do the y is going to change by 3, and the x will change by 1. Once again, we're going to start both of these off at 0. For my y value, it's going to be changing by 3, so it's jumping up in terms of 3. So 0, 3, and then 6. So it's jumping up, plus 3, plus 3. Down here, I've got a 1, so it's going to be 0, 1, and 2. And that's it. That's my whole table. My y's grew by 3, my x values grew by 1, and I'm all finished. Next example. Now we're going to do 3 over a 2. Once again, starting off both of these numbers at 0. Y is just like last time going to be growing by 3, so 0, 3, 6. And my x value is going to be growing by 2, so 0, 2, 4. And that's it. Remember that each one of these is a point on the line. So for example, if we were to actually graph this out, 0, 0 is going to be a point on the line. 2, 3 is going to be a point on the line. And 4, 6 is also going to be a point on the line. These are all points on the line that we're finding right now, okay? Let's see. Let's do one last example where we're just going to use some larger numbers, slightly larger numbers, a 5 and a 4. Once again, starting off at 0 and 0. The y value is growing by 5 each time, so this is going to be 0, 5, and 10. And the 4 is going to be 0, 4, and 8. Once again, each one of these, the 0, 0, the 4, 5, and the 8, 10, are all going to be points on the line of this graph, okay? And that is how you complete a table with slope. Thank you for watching.